Hi kids, welcome to My Cute Toons with Jock. Today we're going to draw Princess Luna from My Little Pony. So follow along with me. So first I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to start drawing. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the eyes. So I'm going to draw sort of an olive shape right there. And then here on top, I'm just going to draw a line back like this. And then I'm going to draw eyelashes. There we go. And then I'm going to draw a big pupil. There we go. With a light reflection in it and a smaller light reflection. And then I'm just going to draw the eye like this. There's one part of the eye and there's the other one. And then I'm going to color in the pupil. Now next up, I just want to draw that line. Good there. Alright, fine. And then next, I'm going to draw the ear. So right here on top of the eye, I'm just going to draw a line up. And I'm going to bring it back like this. And then I'm just going to draw a little line in there as well. And that's the ear. Perfect. And then from this side, I'm going to draw the nose. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to bring it down like this, like so, and I'm going to make a little smile. And then a nose. There we go. Great. And on this side, I'm just going to make a little mark for the other nose as well. Right. And then from here, I'm going to draw the eyes again. So I'm going to make a round line like this. And then I'm just going to make a line like so, a light reflection, and I'm just going to make a mark back and I'm going to color it in. There we go. There's the other eye and I'm just going to make another line there. So there's the two eyes. Wonderful. Now from here I want to draw the hair. So I'm just going to draw a curvy line like so. You with me? I'm going to go over the eye like that and I'm just going to bring it back like that. And then from here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to draw a line up and I'm going to connect it. And right here on top of the head I'm going to draw a crown. So there's a piece and there's another piece and then it goes up and it goes down like that. Perfect. And then of course her unicorn horn. So we're going to draw a line up, go over, bring it back like this. Good. And then we're just going to draw a few grooves there in her horn and there we go. I think she looks beautiful. What do you think? Now for the eye, I just want to make a few other lines like this. Great. And now we're going to draw the hair and I'm going to go back and I'm going to do this and then I'm going to go up and I'm going to draw a line back like that. Perfect. And now we're going to finish the mouth. So I'm just going to draw a line up like this. You're with me? And we're just going to do this as well. Good. And now for the neck. Draw a line like so. Bring it over and bring it down like that. And then here by the neck, I want you just to draw a line like this. So next up what I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw this front part of the chest. And it seems like it's something like this. And then here at the bottom, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to just draw it nice round. You're going to go up and you're going to connect like that. And then of course we're going to make the moon like a C. There we go, like a C. There's the moon as well on her chest. Her chest area, we're going to do this. And now we're going to draw the legs. So I'm going to draw a leg like so. And I'm going to bring it down like there. And we're going to go down, up. And now from here I'm going to take it back like so. And there's one leg. So let's make her hooves. There we go. There's one hoof. And now for the other one. Do the same thing like this. Return it like that. And then here just make a line like that. Perfect. And then the hoof again. There we go. And there's the other hoof. I think she looks absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to draw the bottom part of her body and I'm just going to make a line like that. Great. Then from here I'm going to do the back legs. So I'm going to do a little line like that and then we're going to bring it all the way to the front, like so. Perfect. And then we're going to go up again like so. You with me? And then we're just going to draw a line like this, and you're going to stop right there. Then the hoove again, so going to make a line, another line, there we go. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw a line, and we're going to do the other hoove now, and it's going to go all the way there, connect it back to there, and again we're going to draw the hoove. Perfect. And about from here you're going to draw a line up, and you're going to do that. And there are the two hooves. I think she looks absolutely beautiful. And now for her beautiful wings. So let's begin. From here I'm going to go up like so, roughly about there, that height. And then from here I'm going to draw a line back, and I'm going to go up. Good. And there's one wing. And then from here I'm actually going to bring a little line back like this, and I'm going to do this. And then from here we're actually going to start drawing her wing. Perfect. Here we go. And then from here I'm actually going to draw again another wing part, and another, maybe it's feathers, I don't know, and then maybe another. So there's one wing, and on this side we're going to draw the other wing. So I'm going to go up like there. Good. And then on top I'm going to bring it out like this, and I'm going to bring it back and back again. Good. And there's the wings. I think she looks beautiful. What do you think? Now on this side we must actually draw the moon again. Yeah, on her back leg there's the moon. Great. And then we're just gonna make some, it looks like dark spots that she had there, and a spot there, and another spot there, and maybe a spot there. Now for her tail, for a beautiful tail. So I'm going to do the lower part first. So I'm going to draw it down like this. There we go, and maybe something like that. And here we're going to go up, something like this. Yeah, and then something like this, and you're going to return it like that. And then from here we're going to actually just draw the mark on her tail. There we go, and there we go, there's the tail. And now for her hair again. So from here I'm gonna draw a line up, draw it over like so, you're with me, and then I'm just gonna draw a line like this, another line like this, another line like this, and maybe something like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. There we go, there we go. And then from here I'm just gonna actually draw a little line there, and then we're just gonna follow it all back like so. Good. And there's Luna. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna color in the spots at the back. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. If there's any other pictures that you want me to draw, please leave me a comment, and I will show you how to draw it. See you soon. Bye bye.